Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I have a sneak peek of the latest Bible journaling kit by DaySpring called Women of the Bible. This is kit number 2, and they sent it to me to share with you, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I do have the bonus printables that I can share with you as well that you can see, and I'm just excited to open up this kit. I think the first kit was, they just knocked it out of the park. So I think that this kit, I'm confident, will also be the same as well. So let's go ahead and dive deep into the kit. Again, DaySpring does send these kits to me. There is a minimum threshold that I have to meet, and I'm pretty close to not meeting that. So if you are interested in purchasing the kit, I would appreciate it if you click on the links that I provide, and that just tells DaySpring that I'm doing a good job and I meet their thresholds, and then they send them to me to share with you. And if you're not going to buy the kit, that's okay too. It's totally up to you, but I do want to encourage you that if you are going to buy the kit, to please click the link below or in the description. But I'll go ahead and open this up for you, and we'll see what we get inside. So the kit is packaged just like it normally is packaged. It comes with a really pretty sticker that says Women of the Bible, and the theme is friendship on purpose. And isn't that important, right? It's so, I loved hearing that the theme of this month was friendship on purpose, because friendship does take work. It takes two people that are willing to put in enough work to become such close friends. It's not a one-sided deal. I know that I've had friendships in the past where it's just been one-sided, and those don't really last as long as when you're working together as friends. And it's not easy all the time, I promise you. So I think that this kit is really going to help. As we open it, you can just you know, tear it if you want to. I'll try to slip it out so I can save the sticker for later, because I like to use the stickers in my art journal, and I like to reuse where I can. So, and you can also use this tissue paper as well in your Bible journaling. So usually what I'll do is I'll come in here and try to cut the sticker out a little bit, and that way I can use it on another, maybe my art journal. That way I have an extra piece. So that's what I usually do. I just come in and save that little sticker there, and the rest of it is just tissue paper that you can use again in repackaging or in Bible journaling using the tissue paper technique. It would make really great graphs and backgrounds. So you get that. That's just the packaging, right? Okay, you're getting 4 sticker sheets this month. You're getting the really pretty mustard yellow with the two of these butterfly ones on clear. These are real, not butterfly ones, but there's words and flowers, look like nature elements, and these are on clear, so you can see that they come off really nice, and they're gonna go great in your Bible journaling. So you get these 2. It says Close and True, Friendship, Mary Magdalene, all of them. So just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So you have those. So those are your sticker sheets. Then looks like you're getting ink pads. Yay! Okay, so this is a first. So this is, it is an ink pad. I don't know. It doesn't say if it's pigment ink or not. Let's just see if there's anything on here to see. I mean, you see it when I see it, so I'm not really sure. My guess is it's pigment ink. But I will do in the review a little more investigation for you to try to give you a better idea if it's pigment ink or something else, or dye ink. In fact, I could probably just open it up real quick and just check it out. Of course, I would just do this in the review. Yeah, that feels like pigment ink to me. So I'm going to say pigment ink, and I will correct myself if I'm wrong in the review. So you get that. You get the pretty washi tape. It's purple this time. This actually coordinates with the last kit. So if you have the previous kit, you can definitely use some of these elements and interchange them back and forth. I mean, that just goes right along with the last kit too. It's gorgeous. Pretty. It's like a basket, kind of like a basket print, if you can kind of see, like basket weave print. Anyways, it's really pretty purple. You get the sticker that I showed you initially. And you get the card that just kind of shares a little bit about it, talks about the people that we're working with this month. Also shares that you can go deeper with the Encouraged Devotional Bible, which is this devotional Bible that I shared last time. So you get that. Let's see what else you get. Then you get, let's look at these. I did the Valentine's Day heart scatters for you, so I thought they would be really pretty. Plus, I know it's past Valentine's Day, but I hope that you guys had a wonderful Valentine's Day and that you just felt the love of God during that day and today and always. So we have these really cute die cuts. It says part of his story, and Jesus makes three, love covers all, let's be real. You get the little butterfly, another butterfly, lots of butterflies here, a little ladybug, and then it says two are better than one. Absolutely. You get that. Oh, you get the pretty card, which I would encourage you to pass along to a friend, maybe some happy mail for your friends. And the card says, you're loved more than you know, you're braver than you even imagine, you're beautiful beyond what you can see. And isn't that true? And I think sometimes we need our friends to remind us that we truly are more beautiful than we think that we are. So go ahead and get that card and send it off to your friend, because again, friendship on purpose is the key theme for this month. And I think being purposeful and sharing that card with somebody is a great way to show how much you care. And as we go into the devotionals here, we have Friendship on Purpose, which is Ruth. That's Ruth 1. Then we are Friendship on Purpose, 1 Kings 10, the Queen of Sheba. Friendship on Purpose, 2 Kings 5. Now, I'm going to say this wrong, but I'm going to try my best. Naaman's servant. And then Friendship on Purpose, Luke 24, Mary Magdalene. So those are our four ladies that we're focusing on this month. Awesome. And then we have this beautiful stamp set. Let me see if I can get this on white for you so you can see. Isn't that beautiful? So we have friends, purpose, loved, accepted. I just loved how earthy these stamps are this month. They're just, and last month, they were just gorgeous. And, you know, consider combining last month's with this month's if you have it, and just enjoy just these wonderful stamps. So these stamps are, I believe, polyphotomer stamps. They feel very good, high quality stamps. So I will play with those and let you know during the review what I think, but I usually say they're pretty awesome. Just want to let you know, I do have some information on promotion. They're going to do free shipping on this kit and the previous kit until February 22nd. So I think this kit goes live on the 20th. So you have 2 days on the 20th. So you have the 20th, 21st, and then 22nd. 21st, I guess that's 3 days total to get the free shipping. And that's probably US shipping. I'm not sure if that is international or not. So try it and see, see if you're international, to see if it will ship for free. Usually those promotions are usually only US shipping, but you can definitely check it out and try if you are international. With respect to your bonus printables, you get these if you purchase the kit, and it's really nice because you get them pretty much when you buy the kit, and then you don't have to wait for the kit to show up at your house. You can start using the digital elements right away. And so you can see you get the cool washi tape with the stickers here, and the Women of the Bible sticker there. You get pretty much the stamp set here, and then you get the die cuts as well, and then you get the sticker sheet here. Then you get some bigger elements here, so it looks like they're taking the die cuts that you received on this sheet and just blowing them up and making them bigger, which is perfect especially if you have one of those illustrated illustrating Bibles. Then you can use the bigger elements there, which is nice. And then they also blew up the sticker sheet for you as well, so you're getting that as well. Lots of fun things. The kit usually retails for $24.99. I believe that is the case. Really encouraged this month to see that you're getting some ink included. How cool is that? I'm just so excited about seeing that in there. And again, these stickers, aren't they just amazing? I just love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some time and just dive deep into the kit, really have get my hands in there, do a nice review for you. And I hope that this sneak peek was fun and that you enjoyed just kind of checking out the new kit that's coming. And again, if you are interested in purchasing the kit, it will be on sale on the 20th. And I would appreciate your support by clicking the link if you are going to buy the kit. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day and that you are very blessed this week and beyond. Have a good day. Goodbye.